Hello everyone. This is Professor Gautam from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about equivalent single wheel load abbreviated as ESWL. Let us have one problem on ESWL now. Okay, this is the problem. Calculate ESWL for a dual wheel assembly carrying 2044 kg each for pavement thickness of 15, 20 and 25 centimeter. Center to center tire spacing is given as 27 centimeter and distance between the walls of the tire is given as 11 centimeter. That means here two wheels are there like this. On both the wheels, load encountering is 2044 kg. Here he is saying that center to center tire spacing, that means here to here center to center tire spacing, it is designated a S, is 27 centimeter, and distance between the walls of the tire is 11 centimeter. This is saying that distance between the walls, this is equal to D 11 centimeter. Okay, now we will just write down the data what he had given. He has saying that load value, it is designated as P 2044 kg. Therefore 2P will be equal to 4088 kg. Then distance between the walls of the tire is 11 centimeter and the center to center distance is 27 centimeter. Now in ESWL, as we already discussed, A coordinate is given by P comma D by 2, where P is 2044 and D by 2 is 5.5. D is 11, therefore 11 divided by 2, that is equal to 5.5. Now for these coordinates you have to apply log, that means you have to apply log B and log D by 2. Log P, that is log 2044 is equal to 3.3105 and log 5.5 is equal to 0.74. Similarly, B coordinate is given by 2P comma 2S, where P is 2044 and S is 27. Therefore, it will be equal to 4088 and 54. For this coordinate, again you have to apply log, that will be equal to log 2P comma log 2S. Log of 4088 will be equal to 3.611 and log of 54 is equal to 1.732. Now also where we have to find out ESWL, that means at what depth we have to find out the ESWL. For that also you just apply the logs, and that will be equal to log 15 equal to 1.176, log 20 is equal to 1.301 and the log of 25 is equal to 1.398. Now once we ready with these values, you have to plot graph like this. Now here is the coordinates. Here this you have to indicate, that means A coordinate starting you have to indicate it in the y-axis and this you have to indicate it in the x-axis, and in the B coordinate also this first one, that means load value how to indicate in the y-axis and spacing or distance value how to indicate it in the x-axis. Okay, now let us locate the first coordinate points 3.3105 in the y-axis and 0.74 in the x-axis. Before that, here I used the scale. I took x-axis 1 unit is equal to 0.1 and in the y-axis 1 unit is equal to 3. Later I consider it as 3.1, 3.2 accordingly scale. Okay, now in order to plot A coordinate, first locate in the x-axis 0.74. So I just located 0.74. Somewhere here it is 0.75 and here 0.74 will come. Okay, so to that 0.74 y-axis value what you have to take is 3.3105. so here it is 3.2 is there, 3.2, 3.3, 3.1 means somewhere it will come here. So I am just located the point here. So the coordinates of this point will be x is 0.74 and y is 3.3105. Similarly, locate the B coordinate. In the B coordinate, x is 1.732. This you have to note down in the x-axis. 1.732 means here 1.7 is there, 7273 somewhere it will come here in the third line. And y-axis you have to take it as 3.661. So here it is 3.5, 3.6, 3.61 means somewhere it will come here. So you are ready with the point A and point B. Once you obtained with the point A and B, you just join point A and point B. Now what you have to do is, in the x-axis you find out the log points where actually you have to find out the ESWL value. Now at 15 centimeter you have to find out the ESWL value as they are asked in the problem. Log of 15 will be equal to 1.176. You just note down 1.176 in the x-axis. It will come somewhere here, 1.176. From this point you project a line like this to the line what you had plotted, AB line. From that point again you project the line to the y-axis. Okay, and you just check out what is this value, and this value equal to 3.44. Similarly, log of 20 will be equal to 1.301. Locate that point in the x-axis, 1.301. Okay, project a line like this to your AB line and project back to x y-axis, and you just see what is this point indicate. This will be equal to 3.48. Similarly, last point you locate 1.398. It is somewhere here. You project that line to your AB line and project back to x-axis. Okay, it is located somewhere here, and this is equal to 3.51. Okay, now for the log values of the x-axis, we know values in the y-axis. Okay, you have to convert that to kg like this. ESWL at 15 centimeter is given by 10 to the power of this value what you obtained at 15 centimeter, and this is 3.441. I just substituted here, and this will be equal to 2760 kg. At 20 centimeter is 10 to the power of the value which is obtained for this value 1.301, and that will be equal to 3.48. And in terms of kg it is 10 to the power of 3.48 will be equal to 3019 kg. And ESWL at 25 centimeter thickness is given by 10 to the power of 3.51. Where we got this 3.51? This is the value we obtained at 1.398. That will be equal to here 3.51. So I just plotted here. So 10 to the power of 3.51 is equal to how much? 3235 kg. I just rounded up to 3230 kg. And same I had indicated in this table for 15 centimeter thickness. At 15 centimeter thickness, ESWL load encountering is 2760 kg, and at 20 centimeter thickness, load encountering is 3000 kg, and at 25 centimeter thickness, load acting is 3230 kg. And this is how you have to calculate ESWL at the required depths. Thank you guys. I hope all of you understood the class. We'll meet in the next class with another problem. Thank you.